魔界の空でピカピカ渋谷区までも心はプラ笑って走ってドッキドキルンちょっと変なパワーがバン黒い翼フラフラスウェイでも夢を諦めくブライトネスプレイ子供みたいにほらほらおい
Hello, hi guys. Sorry. Uh, hi అందరికి and welcome to welcome to week 3 here at Network School. And today I just worked on multiple hardware product, a cute little robot. But before we start, happy Sankranti, happy Pongal. I'm missing my home, and yeah, being hardworking over here and entering into the third week. Successfully completed third week. Yeah, I think it's third week. Successfully entered into the third week, and third week low. I'm just gonna do a small recap what happened here at Network School and everything what I'm working on. The gadget that you have seen on me, that the pendant, it's the something called AI hardware pin. It's like human pin in simple ga without doing anything. What if you are wearing a wearable chat gpt on your necklace, on your neck, which listens to you all the time, that keeps tracks of all the conversations and everything, and that keep does all the digital work. It's like AI agents working 24 into 7. It's like a wearable pendant and also the spectacles like AI glasses. And this is something a uh, start a hard fun project I'm working on. This is my side project, what I'm working on along with other major projects and everything. But yeah, super fun. And here at Network School this week, I participated in the Gemini Google hackathon, and we won the hackathon. And it is one of its kind of hackathon. I need to explain that story. So in order to get in the team itself, I need to participate one mini hackathon, which happened here at Network School along with other hundreds of founders over here. And out of that, 8 people submitted project. I'm also one of the guy. And after this project and the community votes, which is the best project, out of that only 2 people will get selected to the team, and I was one of the guy who got into the part of the team. So we all together part of the entire four tribe, we participated in the Google hackathon. And in Google hackathon, it was completely vibe coding hackathon, where there are like top research scholars and everyone were there in the room, and people from the different countries. Within my own team there are people from South Korea, Singapore, China, and India. So it was truly Asian countries. All the Asian countries were representing one single team. And what we actually were need to do in given span of like less than 12 hours, using all the Gemini technologies, Google API keys and everything, we need to create some sort of solution. You can use any kind of tools. You can use, if you want to use anti-gravity, you can use it. You can use AI Studio. It's completely vibe coding, but at a high level hackathon. And at the end of the day, I thought we won't be winning. And my other teammate who actually enrolled citizen and everything, he was the captain and everything, and he enrolled my team as a zero. And I thought some other team name as zero, but somehow we won it and everything. And the winning team will be getting around like 6,000 API Gemini credits, which is 6,000 USD Gemini credits. Yeah, that's about the hackathon. And coming to the Pongal, uh, I mean, missing my hometown, missing my family, home away home. There are people, I think, 100 years, 100 years for the family. Yes, unna. Yeah, this is like, this is also some new cut. ఈ వింత స్టోరీ ఏంటంటే the weird story about this beard and this haircut. In Malaysia, they don't do the beard cut because there is no market for beard, and they they have no market for beard at all. And I actually had to do somehow some sort of like jugaad, and I wanted to go for buzz cut. and I also wanted to try different haircut, but it turned out into this look. But that's okay. Bhavesh, I'm doing absolutely phenomenal, brother. Yeah, I'm sorry if I missed anyone on the WhatsApp or something like that. I'm super active on Discord. I'm super active on Twitter and Threads. Not even on Instagram, which I actually thought like I need to post like regular videos on Instagram and everything, but couldn't post on the Instagram. But in case if you're actively following me on Twitter, regular updates and everything, you are getting like good amount of value, good amount of content, latest updates over there on the Twitter. And yeah, every day we are having day to day good meals. uh, if you guys know Brian Johnson, it is like the whole menu being followed by being designed by the Brian Johnson. Every day we're literally eating grass, we're literally eating like one of the finest food and one of the finest workouts and everything. Daily we every day we actually wake up at 6 o'clock, and 7 o'clock we have our gym workouts and everything. And 7 8 o'clock you will be done with your breakfast. After that you can get start work on your projects. And people, the conversation, if there is something that can hold me back from the network school, that would be people. Because the people over here are from over 100 plus countries, and who are actually truly building one of the greatest products into the hardware, into AI, into biotechnologies, into uh, pathology. And there are many technologies, and also fintech. With using technologies from the AI and everything, people are absolutely building one of the craziest solutions. Yeah. uh, I think I have I think my day-to-day routine is just same day to day. So there is not many updates so far to update and everything what's happening here at Network School. But so far, the conversations over at Network School, that expands your risk capacity, appetite, and the way to think boldly and to focus on your health while you're also focusing on your learning and everything. Why I'm not on mute. Can you able to hear? Can you able to hear me now? Hello, hello, hello. Check, 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 check. I don't know. It's so suffocating. Not able to. Yep. I hope you can able to hear me now clearly, without any hiccups. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for highlighting that actively. Thank you so much, Chandana. Yeah. And it just Singapore next week gonna be like very something. I'm very excited for the next week. The main reason, Claude AI. I don't know whether on YouTube it is you can able to hear it or not. Mm, uh, if you're not able to, I hope it is audible now. Can someone please confirm whether it is audible or not? Uh, can someone please confirm whether it is audible or not? Hi, 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 Vilas. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. So today, I think whether if you are there on the Twitter, go to Twitter and check. Maybe let me just show it right away. It just So today there was some hardware robot, and I teared it down up and down, and then recoded something like the program which can control my entire desktop, which can access my entire terminal. Yeah. So there's lot not just this little thing. uh, so I reprogrammed entire everything, hardware, everything. It can able to listen to you, and instead of typing and everything, it takes your voice as your input and command, and it does entire work on the command line interface, pretty much like the cloud code CLI. And it actually, I spent the entire my day today working on this hardware robot. And eventually the hardware is something that is making me so curious. And eventually this field, the hardware field, is getting very wild and very much potential eventually with the time to time, because of the access to the powerful AI models, and also lot of resources around where people can help you around, and also chipsets. I'm gonna order around like 10 plus chipsets and everything, 10 plus robots and everything, to work around to build something fun around. There are some things you don't you need not to build anything for sake of work. You can also build something for your personal stuff, for your personal companion or something like that, to test it around, to tweak around, to play around everything. Yeah. So that's about today, and eventually I'll share more updates on that in coming days, what I'm gonna do that with that robot. The hardware is something I'm totally getting in there. uh, Very prominent field, and in India the manufacturing is picking up, and it's already picked up. But for my curiosity, I'm getting in now, very lately. But yeah, that's okay. But in case if you're starting something into AI or something like that, check out hardware plus AI. It's a very cool combination, everything. And that's where the real game, because eventually the simple thing eventually anyone can build, with tools like cursor, with tools like cloud code, with tools like anti-gravity, tools like cloud code. Anything, anyone can build any application overnight within no time. So what is the real game difference that still challenge is the hardware. So in case if you want to build something, get in there and start building. And this is something, some cool tool I built today. And But yeah, I'm building something like a wearable supercomputer for humans to travel around, and where people can build app stores, play stores, and apps on the top of it. I'm also not going to build a closed door software or something like that. It will be completely open source application where people will create more use cases on the top of it, where I'll be creating ecosystem. This is something like a side funny project I will be working on, which has a very huge demand and everything, and which there are many people are also interested in exploring it out. And I also started working on the iOS application, trying and testing it, got the Apple developer pass this week, and eventually I'll also share the test flight with a couple of people. And yeah, thank you so much. That's about this third week. And I also got pretty much very badly sick because I lifted very heavy weights in the gym, uh, and couldn't attend gym for the next 2 days. But somehow I got recovered, and again I started going to the gym. And yeah, you should check out network school some other time. At least for 1 month, you should come here, explore people, and get access. Travel with people, and this will teach you a lot. For for me, especially, what it actually taught me, the risk taking ability. Previously I used to build AI application like B2B application, B2B SaaS applications, everything. But after coming down here, the way I think it's completely changed. The way I imagine, or maybe like the take risk, it's completely changed. The risk appetite got way wild, bigger, and the way I also think got so much bolder. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chandana. Thank you. Happy Pongal, happy Sankranti to each and everyone. Right now it's 10:30 here. I think it would be around 8:30 p.m. in Hyderabad, maybe in India, which is 2.5 hours difference, time difference compared to Malaysia. Yeah, if all goes well, we'll work on the hardware product eventually. We'll keep sharing more updates with time to time. Thank you so much. See you guys. Let me just end my stream.